After logging into Canvas, the first place you come to is your dashboard. Your dashboard will house most of the courses that your students are taking. So if you have multiple students in multiple classes, you'll be able to see those classes here. One thing I want to point out, which we're going to focus on a little bit more later, are these three vertical dots above in the top right corner of each course. If you drop those down, you can actually choose a color to associate with those courses. This is going to be really helpful when we talk about the calendar later. You can also give your course a nickname. So maybe this is John's ELA course. Click apply, and now you see that right here. We can refer to John's ELA course. On the far right hand side, we have something called coming up. This will list all of the announcements, quizzes, assignments, basically anything that is coming up for your students. And please notice that the course title is right there with it so you know which class it's for. Lastly, we have something called View Grades. When you click this button, it will lay out all of the courses for your students and give you a running average of those class scores. We're going to talk about that a little bit later when we get to grades, but I wanted to highlight it here. This is your course dashboard.